Have you ever pondered how to tackle your own taxes? The thought might seem daunting, but with a good understanding and the right steps, it's not as complicated as it seems. So today, we're going to demystify the process and break it down into simple, easy-to-follow steps. Firstly, gather all your tax documents. These include your W-2 form, which reports your annual wages and the amount of taxes withheld from your paycheck, and 1099 forms, which record income from various sources like self-employment, interest, dividends, government payments, and more. If you're a homeowner, don't forget your 1098 form, which details your mortgage interest payments. Next, it's time to identify your filing status. This could be single, married filing jointly, married filing separately, head of household, or qualifying widow with dependent child. Your filing status significantly impacts your tax brackets and the deductions you're eligible for. After identifying your filing status, you need to decide whether to take the standard deduction or to itemize your deductions. The standard deduction is a set amount that reduces your taxable income. Itemizing deductions, on the other hand, allows you to list eligible expenses to lower your taxable income. If your eligible itemized deductions exceed the standard deduction, it's beneficial to opt for itemizing. Now, it's time to calculate your adjusted gross income, or AGI. This is your total income for the year, minus certain deductions like student loan interest, alimony payments, or contributions to a traditional IRA. Once you've calculated your AGI, subtract your deductions, either standard or itemized, to determine your taxable income. Then, apply the tax rates for your filing status to find out how much you owe. If you've had taxes withheld from your paycheck throughout the year, subtract this amount from your tax liability to determine whether you'll receive a refund or owe more. Finally, using the information gathered, complete your tax return. You can choose to do this manually, use a tax software, or hire a tax professional. Once you're done, make sure to review your return carefully for any errors before submitting it. So, to recap, the process of doing your own taxes involves gathering your tax documents, identifying your filing status, deciding on your deductions, calculating your AGI, determining your taxable income, calculating your tax liability, and completing your tax return. It's a systematic process that, while it may seem complicated at first, becomes easier with understanding and practice. Remember, being proactive and organized can make this process less stressful, and while it might seem like a lot to handle, you now have the knowledge to navigate it with confidence. So there you have it. Taxes demystified. So the next time tax season rolls around, instead of dreading it, you can approach it with a sense of understanding and preparedness. After all, knowledge is power, and now you're empowered.